If you are working for yourself and registered with HM Revenue and Customs as self-employed, then you are required to fill self-assessment pages on your tax return. You fill self-assessment short or full form depending on your turnover. If your turnover is less than £77,000 in the year, then you can fill your income and expense detail on self-assessment short pages. If your turnover is more than £77,000, then you must fill self-assessment full pages and put the relevant detail of each expense separately in the given boxes. If your accounting period is less than 12 months, pro-rata your turnover and match with the £77,000 turnover threshold. Start filling your self-assessment form by providing your business name, description, account startup and made up to dates. Business description, account startup and made up to dates are compulsory fields and must be filled in, otherwise you will have submission errors later. Fill the turnover and expenses detail in the given boxes. Fill total expenses boxes. Put the figures in disallowed boxes if you think any expense in the total expense box is not wholly or exclusively for business purpose, i.e. total telephone expenses £1,000 where 30% are private. Put 30% of 1,000, which becomes £300, in the disallowed column in the front of the telephone column. Certain expenses in assets, i.e. computer, van, plant and machinery, cannot be deducted from turnover. Instead, capital allowance should be claimed on the payment made for the purchase of assets during the tax year. You can claim AIA on the amount paid to purchase the business assets 100% use for business during the tax year. You can download HMRC help sheet or sample spreadsheet from our support pages for more detail on how to calculate capital allowances. Some further adjustment required in net profit if you took goods or stock from the business for personal use. Fill relevant boxes for losses and enter the amount of loss you made in the earlier tax year, or you made a loss in the current tax year and want to claim against other income of the year. If you want to carry losses back and claimed against earlier years, then enter the loss amount in the relevant box. There are certain rules and time limits for loss claims, so for more detail, check the HMRC help sheet about losses and claims. If you are a subcontractor and work in the construction industry and your contractor had stopped CIS tax, please fill in the box with the amount of CIS deducted in the tax year. Tick the relevant box if you are exempt from paying Class 4 National Insurance contributions or you have been given a deferment certificate.